Hello, my gingerbread and jelly bean. Welcome back to another episode of JVLOGS. This is Plunkett speaking. I just want to thank all the new subscribers, all gingerbread and jelly bean from the past and the present. Welcome to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for staying. I hope you stay for all these not so controversial videos and not so hyped up or hot topic videos. I hope you stay for the longevity of the channel. This is what I'm about. This is who I am, and this is just how I run the channel. So I hope you can adjust and adapt to my style of YouTube. Now this is a different type of video, kind of a mukbang in a sense, because I'm getting ready for work. So I have the cornflakes and I have my milk, so I'll be eating while talking to you. I'm hungry and I'm not gonna trap down on it on camera, so just understand and bear with me. Yes, so welcome. I hope everybody is okay. I hope everybody family is doing good as well. So today I'll be talking about YouTube and Forex and just what's going on, just my views on what I see going on in Jamaica and around the world. So as you know, we're on a lockdown. A lot of people have been home, are sent home to work from home. Who can work from home don't have anything to do. They have a lot of time on their hand. So as you know, normally when you have a lot of time on your hand, it's internet age. You find stuff to do on the internet. You find jobs to do on the internet. Now I know a lot of people have been watching YouTube videos. I know a lot of people know that YouTube is a platform where you can make money. Forex trading is a platform where you can make money. It's trading. Now people tell you that, oh, YouTube can bring in residual income, Forex can bring in extra income. Everybody know is looking for that income source, how they can make money online. So a lot of people jump on YouTube, a lot of people jump on Forex trading. So what I want to do right now is just talk about that issue or the issues around that, and those hope you guys can share your opinion on it as well. Let me specifically talk about YouTube. I've been officially making videos from about 2000 and roughly say 2015 or 2016. I uploaded my first YouTube video around that time. It's not easy. YouTube is not easy. YouTube is a full-time job, and a lot of people are not telling people that YouTube is a full-time job. YouTube takes a lot of time, energy, effort, resources, consistency. Even me myself, sometimes I'm not consistent on YouTube because I have a job. YouTube is like a second job, and I'm not earning from YouTube per se to the point where I can just be all focused on invested in YouTube. I do it because I love it. Even if I'm not earning from it, I do it because I love it and I like to share information and knowledge, and talk about stuff. I love chat. Yeah. So now a lot of people, I've seen a lot of people joining YouTube, a lot of people wanting to join YouTube, and when they see the requirements to start getting ads on their video to start making money, it's like a mountain that they have to climb. So for YouTube, as you may know or might not know, you have to hit 1,000 subscribers, which is not easy to get, and I'll explain that in a bit, and also 4,000 watch hours, which is also not easy to get. So that means you need content, and long content, like videos like 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and you need people to be watching it in its entirety, just watching the entire thing right through for you to get those watch hours. My friend Hashes, he has 5,000 subscribers and he's almost there at 4,000 watch hours. He's almost there, but he's a musician, not musician but artist. He does music, but people love his music, so it's taking a while for him to even get monetized as well. Now people have to understand that YouTube is different. People that watch YouTube, the regular people that watch YouTube, we have to look at them as investors. They're going to invest in you. They're going to invest in your channel. No, for you as a new YouTuber, you're just going to be like, oh, let's hit 1,000 subscribers. Let's focus on the watch hours. Let's do that. while people are going to look at you as just a new person, you're new on the block, and they're going to wait and see you before they subscribe to you. Even for my channel, I have 2,600 subscribers, and people are still skeptical whether they want to subscribe or not. And even if they do subscribe, most time they don't watch your videos. They watch a one video and that's it, they fall off. So you realize in your analytic that you get videos, people watch your videos from, say, when they come, and then they don't watch any more videos because maybe you're not talking about that same topic anymore. So as a new YouTuber, you have to keep that in mind. Again, people that watch YouTube, they're invested. They come onto YouTube like a series they want to watch. They want to be entertained. They want to connect to the person that making the video, you know. So when you're doing YouTube, you have to ask yourself, why am I doing it? Am I just doing it for the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hours, or I'm going to be invested in it? And people are not going to watch your channel if they realize that you're not invested in it. They may watch your channel for 6 months and that's it. And this is say you start doing the same thing and start repeating the same content over and over again. They get tired of it, then they move to something else. So we have to appreciate the subscribers that stick around, because I get that as well. I get people that watch my channel and don't watch it no more. People used to comment and don't comment anymore. But you have to understand that's YouTube. People have a choice to do that. So people invest in things they have interest in, or invest if they like you or not, if you're authentic or not. So if you're coming on YouTube, ensure that you identify your target audience. Are you going to make pranks? Are you a single person who's making video about finance, about food, about other topics of interest to you, and people might find it interesting? Figure out what you like and ensure that you make videos pertaining to that. Make sure you make videos that are interesting. If you're going to give information to people, ensure that you do that in a way that they will like. You know, switch up a bit. Sometimes I'm boring on the videos, I don't understand, but I still try to put forward the information. Sometimes I'm jumbled, sometimes I'm not perfect. So if you realize that you're on YouTube and you're trying to just get hit videos, you're trying to just do pranks, you're trying to do challenges, you're trying to do that, you're trying to do this, after a while people are just going to get tired, or after a while your audience is going to be like, oh, all you can do is pranks, or all you can do is, you know, challenges, or all, you know, they want more, they want to see like different type of stuff. A lot of people subscribe to people in construction because they like construction. They like to see stuff being built. They like to, you know, see stuff, people making stuff, or people that like technology, like to be educated about that. So you have to understand the audience that you have, or what, you know, your target audience is, and then you try to tap into that. But ensure that you do that and not be all over the place, and not just doing stuff that entertain people for a little bit and don't educate them, because YouTube is used to educate people as well. So you have to be careful with that. As for the trading, a lot of people that's trying to make money and you're going to invest in stocks. A lot of us don't know nothing about stocks. You have to be careful with that as well. If you're going to invest in stocks, ensure that you have knowledge of it. Ensure that you learn about it. I know a lot of people might come and cuss me and stuff like that, but trading is not for everybody. Not because there's money in it, mean it is for you, and that is just a reality. That is just a fact. Trading is not for everybody. Just like before the whole lockdown, this whole situation, pandemic, you never used to trade. You never care about the stock market. You know, because you need money, you're going to go into it and you might lose money, and then you're going to argue and cuss when you lose money because you're not prepared for it. You don't have a love for it. You understand? So some people will be making a lot of money and some people making zit. So you have to be very careful where that is concerned. It is the same thing with YouTube. Don't do YouTube because you want to just make money. There's more reasons. YouTube reward people based on their effort, time, energy, consistency. Consistency is key for YouTube. If you're not consistent, it don't make sense. Have some form of niche. Have some kind of area where you can talk about. Have some stuff that you really love and you're passionate about. In the gun on my brain. So I just feel like a lot of persons are rushing over to YouTube and trying to just want to make money. I have the time on the hand now, and just YouTube as an income stream. But a lot of people will realize shortly that YouTube is much more than that. YouTube takes time, and I think they design it this way too, to make it more difficult for people to just come, you know, waste time and then leave. It's not like that. You're not rewarded that way. Some people might be lucky. Some people, you know, might change their perspective of it and be like, oh, I really like doing this and stuff like that. While some people do it and then they give up and they move on to other stuff. Also, not to say that you can't do relevant stuff, like challenges and stuff like that, and then use that energy to, you know, branch off into other topics. So that your channel, you know, is family oriented or stuff like that. You can now do stuff that you guys like together. You know, not what you think people would like, but what you would like. Talk about stuff that you like. And you understand that people like mine would come to your channel because they think like you too, and they like the topic that you talk about. Just like this video, a lot of people might watch it, a lot of people might not watch it because they're feeling the same way too. So for me, I just think people should learn how YouTube works, understand it before jumping into it. Do your research first. And don't forget, you're competing with millions of YouTubers. Not millions, but hundreds and thousands of YouTubers that's doing the exact same thing that I'm doing right now. Making a mukbang, talking about this, talking about the same topic you're talking about. And you realize that I did a topic about Miss Donna. I never knew it would reach 5,000 views on one video and gain 120 something subscribers and earn roughly like $17 to $20 for the first video, and the second video is over and around 1,200 views. I never knew it would be that popular. I just felt like making a video, and I realized that it gained a lot of views and people and stuff. But as soon as a week passed and other people talking about it too, the views fall off after, which is predictable because it was an incident. So I talked about it when the incident happened, like 2 days after, and it reached its peak, and then it fall off. When I gained from that peak, I never knew I would. I just felt like making a video about it, and then I was surprised. Then I make a second video like 6 days after, and that was the last video I made about it. While other YouTubers who normally talk about these topics getting like 44,000 views, 10,000 views, 15,000 views, 20 here and there. You have to understand, they talk about these topics often, so they're going to experience more views than you. So in that segment, you are competing with those people that regularly talk about those topics. You're in their niche, so you're trying to gain views, in a sense, So don't watch them. Just focus on what you're doing and apply yourself and put out your content. Thanks for the stats. Just do what you love. If you feel like it's not for you, so it's not for you. Well, learn about it. Educate yourself about it first before you jump into it. You don't just jump in something that you're not knowledgeable of and lose your money because you're not going to buy and say people are wicked and people should have telling them. You know me, I try telling them, say, be careful, because if you're losing the money, it not go nice. And if you're wasting time on YouTube, it not go nice, and it not go stop. And then people will like you know, and go want to watch more on the video, and they not go do it. So don't just waste everybody's time. So educate yourself before you jump on and do this stuff. And yeah, again, thanks for watching the channel. And so subscribe and share for more. Hit the thumbs up button, make it blue. Hit the notification bell for more videos. And leave a comment below. Do you feel the same way about it? Do you think that everybody rushing over to YouTube? Or Forex trading? Yeah. Let's have a discussion below. Again, thanks for watching JVLOGS. Plunkett. I'm signing out.